Social media, social media, social media. Do you know how many social media users are there in the world? 4.8 million and still counting. From the purpose of entertainment to spreading awareness, from learning to taking business to great heights, social media have proven to be an all-in-one solution. Talking about social media and the business world, social media has revolutionized business, providing a platform for direct customer interaction, targeted marketing, and valuable insights. It allows business to build trust, promote their brand, and adapt to industry trends. Embracing social media is essential for success in the digital age. With the rise of social media in this digital age, lots of job opportunities are arising in the market. The average salary of a social media manager in India is 6 lakhs rupees per year. However, in US, it is estimated to be $64,000 per year. If you are an aspiring social updated with multiple technologies, consider subscribing to Simplilearn and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from us. So without any further delay, let's begin by understanding what does a social media manager do. What does a social media manager do? Successful social media management demands a strategic approach encompassing various key tasks. Here are the social media manager's roles and responsibilities. It begins with crafting and implementing a goal-aligned social media strategy, followed by the creation of engaging content for diverse platforms. Vigilant community management involves monitoring and responding promptly to social media interactions. While campaign management requires adept planning and result analysis, social listening is crucial for extracting valuable insights from brand-related conversations. Analytics and reporting form the backbone, tracking key performance indicators and providing strategic recommendations. Collaboration with other departments ensures cohesive messaging, while crisis management skills address negative situations promptly. Staying informed about platform changes is vital for adaptability, and adherence to guidelines ensures legal compliance and ethical standards. This comprehensive yet concise approach ensures effective day-to-day operations and long-term success in the ever-evolving landscape of social media management. So let's see skills required by a social media manager. Social media managers need platform expertise, knowledge of major social media platforms and features, content creation and creativity, strong writing and media creation skills with innovation thinking and engaging content, strategy and analytics. Strategic thinking and analytics proficiency is must required. Community and engagement. Effective communication and community management is required. Next we have is campaign execution. Planning and executing social media campaigns are must required for being a social media manager. Next we have is adaptability. A social media manager must be flexible to adapt to the platform changes and trends. Next we have is collaboration. A social media manager should be great at teamwork and collaboration with other departments. Time management. A social media manager should be great at efficient task organization and adherence to schedules. Problem solving. Along with that, a social media manager should have a quick resolution of issues and crises. Legal and ethical awareness. Last but not the least, a social media manager should be great at understanding of legal and ethical consideration. Also, responsiveness to customer inquiries and feedbacks will be a cherry on cake. So let's begin by knowing how to become a social media manager in 2024. Achieving a role of social media manager in 2024 involves a strategic combination of skills, practical experience, and ongoing commitment to staying ahead of industry trends. Here is a comprehensive guide to help navigate your path into this dynamic field. On number 1, we have educational foundation. While formal education isn't always mandatory, having a degree in marketing, communication, business, or any related field can provide a valuable foundation. Consider pursuing courses or certification focused specifically on social media marketing to augment your knowledge. Next we have is skill development. Cultivate strong writing skills to craft compelling and impactful content. Develop a comprehensive understanding of social media platforms, their functionalities and trends. Familiarize yourself with social media analytics to effectively measure and interpret performance. Basic graphic design skills or proficiency in design tool can enhance your skill set. Next is establishing online presence. Build and maintain professional profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to showcase your expertise. Actively participate in industry discussions, share relevant content, and engage with your network. Moving ahead, it is important to gain practical experience. Seek internships or entry-level positions in marketing, public relations, or social media to gain practical experience. Volunteer to manage social media accounts for organizations or events, creating a tangible portfolio. Stay updated. Stay updated with latest trends, algorithms, changes, and emerging platforms within the social media landscape. Attend webinars, conferences, and workshops to stay informed and ahead in the industry developments. Next we have is portfolio development. Compile a portfolio showcasing your best work, including examples of content creation, community engagement, and successful campaign management. Network strategically. Connect with professionals in the industry, join relevant groups on social media, and actively participate in events. Networking can open doors to job opportunities and provide valuable insights into the industry. Apply for entry-level roles. Target entry-level positions such as social media coordinator or assistant to gain practical experience. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight relevant skills and experiences. Highlight achievements. Emphasize tangible results during interviews, utilizing metrics to quantify your impact, such as increased engagement, follower growth, or successful campaign outcomes. Last but not the least, adaptability and continuous learning is the must-have skill. Embrace adaptability in the face of industry changes and commit to ongoing learning. Maintain a proactive stance towards exploring new tools and strategies to stay ahead in the dynamic field of social media management. By following these steps, you will position yourself for a successful career as a social media manager in 2024, equipped with a robust skill set and a proactive approach to the professional development. I hope now you can start your journey of being a social media manager. Hit the like button if you find this information informative. Share this video and subscribe to Simplilearn to stay updated with the latest trends in the industry. Till then, thanks for watching.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.